Health benefits of prenatal DHA. Reduces heart disease risk. May improve ADHD. Reduces the risk of early preterm births. Fights inflammation. Supports muscle recovery after exercise. Helps some eye conditions. May reduce your risk of certain cancers. May help prevent or slow Alzheimer's disease. Lowers blood pressure and supports circulation. Aids normal brain and eye development in babies. Supports men's reproductive health. May help protect mental health. Prenatal DHA, unflavored formula. Description: supports brain development in babies during pregnancy and lactation. Official Omega-3 American Pregnancy Association. Healthy pregnancy. Fetal development. Healthy immunity. 830 mg omega-3 plus 400 IUD3. Third-party purity tested. Superior triglyceride form. Dietary supplement. Molecularly distilled guaranteed purity. Wild-caught. Pure. No fishy aftertaste. Friend of the Sea certified. Non-GMO verified. Guaranteed purity, lab certified. Every batch of Nordic Naturals fish oils is tested by a third-party certified lab for environmental toxins, including heavy metals. All fish oils are in the triglyceride form and surpass the strictest international standards for purity and freshness. Certificates of analysis available upon request. Because purity equals safety, heavy metals, such as mercury, are not the only environmental contaminants found in fish. PCBs are a class of man-made organic chemicals that pose risks to human health and the environment. Despite strong restrictions, PCBs persist in the environment and are found in trace amounts across our food supply. By selectively choosing small fish naturally low in toxins, and carefully removing contaminants, Nordic Naturals delivers omega-3 oils with guaranteed purity. Suggested use: 2 soft gels daily, with food, or as directed by your healthcare professional or pharmacist. Other ingredients: purified deep-sea fish oil, from anchovies and sardines, soft gel capsule, gelatin, glycerin, water, D-alpha-tocopherol, vitamin D3, cholecalciferol and olive oil. No gluten, milk derivatives, or artificial colors or flavors. Warnings: consult with your physician before using this product if you are allergic to iodine, use blood thinners, or anticipate surgery. Store in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. Do not take if tamper evidence seal is broken or missing. Keep out of the reach of children. Nordic Naturals products are never sold under any store brand. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.